We're RideCell, and we build the technologies and solutions that power the digital transformation of fleets. For last-mile delivery businesses, protecting drivers and vehicles is essential, and so is protecting the cargo they transport. With drivers rushing to meet delivery quotas, vehicles are often left running with keys in the ignition and doors unlocked to save time. Now, imagine a perfect world where the driver exits the vehicle and the doors lock automatically. And when the driver returns, doors automatically unlock, saving time on each delivery. Welcome to the power of proximity locking. This technology keeps drivers happy and productive while protecting vehicles and the cargo they carry. Proximity locking saves precious seconds on every delivery, boosting driver productivity. An automated locking solution also prevents vehicle lockouts. Instead of sending a locksmith to meet your locked-out driver, the fleet dispatcher can remotely unlock the vehicle, and the driver can continue on their way. It's all made possible thanks to the power of keyless vehicle access technology. Physical key fobs are replaced with digital keys. Drivers are issued a key card and a mobile app to unlock and lock the vehicle. In addition, keyless technology offers even more benefits. Maintenance staff can use their app or key card when a vehicle needs servicing. Compliance teams can enforce safety by immobilizing unsafe vehicles before a shift until the issue has been resolved. And staff can help prevent vehicle theft by immobilizing the vehicle when no authorized driver is present. Here's how proximity locking with keyless technology works. As the driver stops to make a delivery, they grab their packages and leave the vehicle. When they walk away, beacon technology senses their departure, and the vehicle automatically locks itself. As the driver returns to the vehicle, the beacon signals the driver's proximity. When the driver is within range, the vehicle automatically unlocks the doors. Preferred locking and unlocking distances can be chosen to meet your company's safety policies and your driver's preferred ways of working. Modernize your fleet simply by moving the key fob into the cloud. With RideCell, your fleet will never get away from you. Interested in building a more secure fleet with us? Visit ridecell.com for more information.